Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dunn. Today I'm going to do a quick review of the Crocs on the clock shoes review. So this is a pair of work shoes by Crocs. Now when you look at it, it even doesn't look like made by Crocs. It looks like just regular pair of sneakers, and it looks very nice. So it has different colors, but the color I chose is coffee and black, and you can see that it's very nice contrasting color. So now it has very thick cushioning. So if you take a look inside, the cushioning is very thick and very nice, and it has a very good sole which has a very nice traction. So what happens if you're working extended time, for example if you're a chef or cleaners, or if you are like nurse or in the health sector industry, you're on the floor for a long time. So this is a very good work shoes to put on without getting your feet tired. It has a good support and everything, and you can see that due to the traction it's very difficult to slip. And actually I was wearing outside in the snow, and it's very nice traction. It doesn't slip at all, and as you can see that people even cannot tell unless they look at the Crocs logo right here that this is a pair of Crocs. It looks very nice. And here is what inside looks like. Now the one drawback is that it doesn't have good airflow, or there's no hole or anything for the air to pass through, but it didn't bother me. But if you're wearing in a hot environment, then maybe your feet might get a little bit of sweaty, but except that I cannot really find anything to complain about. I'm just wearing them as regular sneakers because I don't work on floor or anything. So for me this is just a pair of Crocs I wanted to buy and give it a try, and I'm happy that I bought it because I'm very happy with the product. So this is a Crocs, and you can see that you can easily people would not know that you are wearing a pair of Crocs. So in terms of pricing, I saw this goes somewhere between 60 to 90, but sometimes they do come on sale. So if you are able to catch a good sale, then you should be able to get a good sale. And inside also there's very thick cushioning on top, and the sole is very nice. So I think your feet is going to appreciate wearing this. So this is a pair of Crocs on the clock work shoe, and I'm happy with the product. This is not any paid or affiliated review. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.